With gas prices at the pump having skyrocketed, the president ordered the release of the fuel subsidy for public transport drivers. The sector hit hardest by the surge in crude oil and petroleum product prices. Covered under the subsidy for release next Tuesday are public utility vehicle drivers of jeepneys, taxi cabs, buses, tricycles, TNVs, all of whom are classified at this time as individuals in crisis situations. This story. For just 200 pesos, tricycle driver Regine used to get a full tank. But since fuel prices surged,
ngayon umaabot na ng 400. Imbis na iuwi na lang namin sa pampamilya namin, kakarga pa namin sa gasolina.
Regine usually stops working by 7 in the evening. But to make up for lost income, money that should have gone to his child's school allowance, Regine now has to adjust.
Ngayon po, inaabot na po ako hanggang alas 10 po ng gabi. Yung kinikita ko sa isang araw lang din namin ginagastos yun. Kaya di pwedeng hindi bumiyahe. Kaya todo biyahe talaga.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered the distribution of 5,000 pesos in financial assistance to drivers and transport operators starting next week. The move is part of the government's effort to ease the impact of rising petroleum prices.
Tricycle drivers, jeepney drivers, taxi and UV drivers, yung TNVS at lahat pa ng apektado nitong pagtaas ng presyo ng petrolyo ay now considered individuals in crisis situation. By Tuesday next week, sisimulan na natin yung pagbigay ng tulong pinansyal.
Tricycle and jeepney drivers will be prioritized, as local governments already have existing lists of beneficiaries. 30 billion pesos has been allocated for the distribution of financial aid to further reduce the impact of surging fuel prices, which could also drive up the cost of goods. The Department of Transportation has met with tollway operators, urging discounts for Class C vehicles or trucks transporting agricultural products.
We ask them to give a discount, no? Kung maibalik lang nila sa dating toll rate, ang matitipid nga po ng isang bus is already 7,400 liters. So malaking tulong na po yun.
Authorities are also expected to decide next week on the temporary removal of aircraft landing and takeoff fees to prevent a sharp increase in airfares. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.